Hi everyone, this is Cassie from Ringpack. Welcome to my channel.
Today I want to introduce stickers. Nowadays they can be seen everywhere. Customized stickers can offer endless possibility for self-expression. Most common surface is glossy surface, which is shining and not easily scratched off. On the base of glossy surface, many customers will also like to add holographic effect to make it more attractive. If you want your logo or information clearer, strongly suggest matte surface. As you can see, from reflecting your personality to promoting your brand or cultivating a connection, customized stickers have become a powerful way to communicate. We are able to customize for you.
If you are interested, please contact us. I will see you next time. Bye bye.